Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhuluma with Brief. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Uyatrenda Lindelani Mkhize na Mam Rebecca Maluphi ngemva kokuthi Mam Rebecca Maluphi aperforme lapha nemgcwabeni wamamzane Lempokazi Saturday. So guys, seems like into leti ngazange timhambele kahle ngalelo langa uMam Rebecca, because kokuqala waqala ngokuwa Nkosi Yamathu yaperforma wabe sikatrenda njalo uDr Rebecca Maluphi laphana kuma-social media platforms. Kanti uLindelani Mkhize was u-MC nawaleya service guys. So Mam Rebecca bekaluka acula ngacitha atshintshana ngetingoma acula until uLindelani decided ukuthi acime music while she was performing. Wavele wawukhatha nje kanjalo, waba shocked naye uRebecca Maluphi ukuthi hayibo sekwenzakalani manje, kwaqima nje na music. People felt ukuthi akazange amphathe kahle kuMam Rebecca as an icon, bekumele amsonzele amkhulumise kahle amtshele ukuthi isikhathi asiyabashaya kunokuthi avele nje awuqime njalo music. But bantu kufanele aqolise kuDr Rebecca Maluphi ngalendlela amphathe ngayo in front of phambi kwabantu. And some are saying ukuthi hayibo guys bekumgcwabo lena, everyone was given a chance kokuthi aperforme and ma-artist bewamaningi, so bekumele nje umuntu asticke to isikhathi lanikede sona, angabe se uyandlulela Nkosi yami. Labanye bamelana na Dr Maluphi and labanye bamelana Lindelani ukuthi hayibo guys isikhathi masikushaya siyakushaya, bekumele vele bawuqishe music. Do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.